Toucan's not here. But Toucan, wait, I'm even forgetting my own name. Wait, I think I know what day it is. Christmas!
No, Toucan, it's not Christmas. We're just doing a Christmas special because your voice actor won't be. This is the soonest time your voice actor can do it before Christmas, so we're doing a Christmas special now. But it's not Christmas yet.
Okay, but do I still get to open my presents?
Yeah.
Yeah! I'm gonna go put on the teeter-totter first before I open it.
Yeah, of course.
Wait, what's that red thing I see over there? I think it's a present. Oh, it's a new phone! It's my new iPhone 40. I love it. Thank you so much for giving this to me. This is a scavenger hunt. I'm gonna go try to find all my presents. Come with me, cameraman. Where could we find them? I don't see any under the slide. The slide, yeah. My last one. There's none there. I see it! Come on, we'll see what open it. AirPods! Wait, let's check if they're in there. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I want to play on the yellow spinny banana. Right. Delete him, yeah? I love playing on the yellow spinny banana. Whee! Oh my god! I'm tired after that spinny banana. I think we may as well go sit on the bench. Oh. Watch the voice actor help me. It's the rig! Oh my god. I freaked out a bit too much. It came off my voice actor's hand. Well, he won't do any harm to touch it again.
He's gone again. He's gone.
Ow.
Can you spot the ring while Toucan is playing on the teeter-totter?
Oh, he's rubbish. Yeah, you better do.